Aloha kakahiaka. My name is Verna Apio Takashima, and today I'm here to be a part of this wonderful FestPAC um, events throughout the islands, which is really exciting to see all the different venues and all the different nations that are here gathered together as a family, as an ohana. We'd come to school excursions and we would see the kapa in the back of the cases in the display. But I was a kid, and so we've seen kapa or I would say tapa before. I saw, we'd see Tongan or Samoan tapa because they performed and we had that opportunity to see that, but not real Hawaiian kapa. And even when I was at Marie's, we went to see Marie's McDonald's home. And when she asked my brother to make her ie kuku, or blanks, so that she could make ie kuku. And my brother, Solomon Apio, who's a woodworker, he was a weaver, he's carved stone. So he wanted to learn much of the arts, the Hawaiian arts, and he would come to the Bishop Museum and go through the collections and research everything. And so at that time he was turning wood, he was making umeke and some of the weapons. So he would be researching that kind of stuff, but not kapa until we started, until he told me, looking through J.S. Emerson's Material Cultures, and he finds the names of our ancestors and many of the items that was purchased or made by them. And he said, kapa, so we're looking through this book, and and he says, okay, Aritutu made kapa, you gotta make kapa. And I'm like, what is kapa? I don't know anything about kapa. And he says, no worry, I make the tools, you make kapa. And how am I going to do that? So I said, I don't know anybody that makes kapa. And don't worry, I have a friend, she can teach you. And within a month, I had a kapa teacher, Kaiulani de Silva, my kumu. He had all my tools made. Ie kuku, ho hoa, he had a kua. And I was ready to start. He had everything for me within a month. And the first time we got together and met, Kaiulani, was at the Ward Warehouse in front of Namia.